Hello and welcome, and in this video we will be unboxing the Mercusys AC1200 dual band wireless router. Now this is the model number is the AC12 and this is a dual band router, so it operates in the 300 and the 867 Mbps bands. It has four, as you can see in the photo, 5 dBi antennas, okay, and as I said again, it operates in dual band, so 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It says hassle-free installation, IPTV support, IPv6 support, and a multi-language firmware. Okay, those are the key features highlighted here. At the back, let's see, what do we have? Okay, so as I said, it operates in both Wi-Fi bands, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So 2.4 gigahertz is basically, it's good enough for your sort of email, browsing, that kind of stuff. If you get into video streaming and say video gaming, so then you need a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So this accommodates both basically in it, and it can go up to, the AC12 connects devices on both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz bands simultaneously, offering a superior lag-free experience for work and play. Okay. It combines 300 Mbps 2.4 gigahertz, which is perfect for surfing and emailing, as I said, and 867 Mbps 5 gigahertz, which is ideal for HD streaming and gaming. Okay, you have the flexibility to allocate your devices to dedicated networks to do more at the same time. All right, there are some features at the back I should just quickly mention. Guest network provides separate network for guests to ensure your security and privacy. It's a 2x2 MIMO, which increases wireless transmission efficiency between multiple devices, and there are also parental controls in here. So establish appropriate access policies to protect children with responsible, safe internet access. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Just cut it over there. Just remove the plastic. Right, so there you have it. That's the router. Let's take it out. Okay, so there you have it, folks. That is the router right there. That's the Mercusys AC12 router. Comes packed in a sleeve. Protective sleeve, so we'll just open that carefully. Alright, there is the router. Okay, these are the ports at the back. It's got 4 ports at the back and it's black with gray antennas. What else do you get? So you get a power cable and you get an Ethernet cable, which is pretty standard with all routers, and apart from that you also get some documents. Now this is the quick installation guide. I do recommend that you should read this guide before you actually go ahead and try to set up this router. It's always useful to read the guide because it contains some important information that you should know. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Mercusys model AC12, and it's an AC1200 dual band wireless router. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.